I'm going to be making this GAN13 Maglev or unboxing it. And then it has a magnetic box. So I'll be opening it.
Wow.
The cube's in here with the magnetic box.
Wow.
And then first we open this. This bag, the pamphlet, and then the manual. The manual with this. Now the cube. This is not UV coated. And then you can open this cap, and then the edge magnets tensioning. Edge magnets tensioning.
Wow.
And then the bag, which you put it inside, like this. Soft. The new one. This.
Wow. Nice. Very nice.
And then the case, the magnetic cube, which has magnets. It has edge magnets. And then you can see everything that the cube has here. Then that's it. Bye.
Thank you so much.